To download Roblox Studio on a PC laptop, start by opening a browser and navigating to roblox.com. Log into your account. Then select Create from the top menu. If you're accessing this feature for the first time, the studio will load, and you'll see the option to Start Creating. Selecting this will prompt your computer to check for Roblox Studio. And if it's not already installed, you'll be given the option to download it. Choose Download Studio and save it to your computer. If, instead, you see a list of your experiences, find one and select Edit next to it. Your computer will then check for Roblox Studio and offer the download option. Once the download is complete, open the Roblox Studio launcher to begin the installation process. The installer will then download and install Roblox Studio on your laptop. Upon completion, Roblox Studio will be fully installed and ready to use on your PC laptop.